how to use YouTube analytics to grow your channel. I'm telling you, analytics is amazing. If you really want to grow your channel, you need to watch this video to the very end. I'm going to take you inside our channel. I'm going to show you what we look for. I'm going to show you how we do this and how we get more views by using analytics. And you know what you want to do? You want to subscribe. Did you know that? You want to subscribe. You want to hit that subscribe button there, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video, and a thumbs up would be nice too. So what I'd like to do now is I want to jump inside of YouTube and our analytics and show you around. Come on, let's go. So I'm on my home screen on YouTube right now, and the first thing you got to do is you got to make sure you're logged in with the email address that is associated with your YouTube channel. And then what you're going to see, and here's a little picture of me at the top here, you just want to hover over this picture here and give it a click, and you're going to get a drop down that looks just like this. What you want to do is go over to YouTube Studio. Now once you're in YouTube Studio, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Now I have TubeBuddy, which I highly recommend. You'll find a link for it down in the description. It'll help you do videos, and I have a free link. As a matter of fact, all you gotta do is click on it and you can actually get it for free, so you do want to check that out. Now this is what we see in the beginning. You're going to see your subscribers here, your views, your watch time, hours, revenue, all that stuff. But then you're going to see your most recent upload right here, and you can go to video analytics on that particular video. Right here you've got a button for content. Now this is any of the videos that you have uploaded or any of the lives that you've done. So let's go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, I've got a video I recently uploaded here. Actually, this one here is scheduled. You can schedule videos in here, and that's what we do, is we schedule them. Then I've got a few shorts in here, and then I've got more videos down here. The next thing you can click on is analytics, and analytics is going to be the views. You're going to have your views, your watch time, your subscribers, your estimated revenue, if you're monetized. If you're not monetized, you will not have that revenue there, or it'll show zero. I can't even remember now, so that's something you'll have to check out. Then next tab here is comments. Man, I really missed the boat on this one. When I first started out, I didn't answer any comments, and I didn't know that it was so important. So you do want to answer your comments. Now, if it's a new comment, it will show up here. But if you have this filter on here like I do, it says I haven't responded. You need to get rid of that every now and then and check, because if somebody responds back to one of your comments, and here's an example right here. Okay, this is 23 hours ago. Let's see here. I deleted my account after the policy took effect. Of course, since I don't know anyone who still uses Facebook nowadays, I pretty much stay out of it. So I was talking about Facebook here, but you notice how this comment is a new comment, but it didn't show up because of the filter I had set, which is ones I hadn't replied to. So you want to go through here every now and then, just scroll through and make sure you've answered all these comments, because a lot of times people, you'll reply to them and they'll reply back and that will not show up. So that's real important that you do that. Next here we have subtitles. If you want to use subtitles, this is the tab you're going to go to right here. This is different languages and subtitles. So these are going to be all the subtitled videos I have right here. And the next one is copyright. If you have any copyright claims, this is a couple actually for my wife right here, which is no big deal. So you're going to have any of your copyright claims in there too. Next tab here is going to be earnings. So it's going to be watch page ads. So you could have that right here. Short feed ads, memberships. If you want to do memberships, I don't do memberships. If you want to do shopping, I don't think I qualify for shopping yet, so I don't have that in here. And then supers, or where fans can actually pay you money. Then we come down to customization. If you notice I'm scrolling here, see me scrolling this bar here? A lot of people can't find the music because it's below. You have to scroll to see it. So here's customization right here. What this is this is a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So if somebody hasn't subscribed to my channel, this is what they're going to see when they log into the page. Next one here is a featured video for returning subscribers. You can add that if you want. That's certainly available. And then you have your featured sections here, and you have live now, upcoming streams, popular, past streams, and you can adjust all of these with this little tab off to the right here. If you want to remove that section, if you want to add a section, you just come up here and add section, and that is your layout of your actual channel when people go to your channel. And then this last tab down here is your creator music, And you can get in here and you can look at different music type things and use that. You get revenue sharing, you've got licenses, more tracks at no charge right here. So you can look at that if you want to do that. To go in here, you're going to need to check this box here, and then you can click get started. And once you go in here to get started, it's going to have featured revenue sharing tracks, featured collections, featured licensable tracks, moods. So if you want to get free music, you can actually do that in here too. You would just click on one of these. So that one just popped open for me. Tells you how long it is. It tells you if there's a price to pay on it right here. I don't use these really anymore because I think they're so overused by so many YouTubers that I just don't do that. But you can also browse right here if you want, and you can browse different moods, vocals, whatever you want, duration, genre right here. You can do a drop down. You can see the different genre right here. So that's your music. And now we go down here to settings. The settings thing is really important because what happens here is what's going to affect your entire channel. Okay, so I've got my general settings right here, which are how I get paid, and it's going to be US dollars. Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone. And then I've got my actual channel right here. These are automated tags that are going to go up onto my channel, and they will automatically be loaded. Now, some of this is because I have TubeBuddy. Once again, you can get TubeBuddy down in the description. It is free. There is an upgraded version if you want, and if you use my link, you can get 30% off. Then I've got permissions right here. So I have managed permissions right here. If you want to add somebody to work on your channel, you would do that right here. So I can click right here and I can see who it is that has access to my channel, and I can manage permissions right here. And then everybody who has a permission is going to show up. Let me put in my password. Then I'm going to click next, and then it will allow me into my permissions. Sometimes it'll do this, where it's going to throw up this number, and then you have to go to your Google app on your phone, and you have to put in that number. Okay, so I can manage my permissions now. These are all the people that are permitted. This is my video editor right here. This is my wife, and these people are managers on my channel too, so they can get in here. All right, so let's get back out of this. So we're back to our permissions. We've looked in there. You can also move permissions if you want to do that. Here is the community tab. These would be managing moderators if you have that. Standard moderators, you know, I don't really use any moderators. Here is hidden users right here. These are people that we banned from the channel, so we got rid of those. Then we have our defaults right here. Hold potentially inappropriate comments. I do have that checked there. So if you're worried about, you know, spam, or if you're worried about people trolling you or whatever, you can click that. Manage in your live chat, hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. So when I'm on a live and people are putting stuff in the chat, if it deems it as inappropriate, it may hold that chat. I've never had a problem with that, but you know, it's something there. If you want to hold all your comments, you can click this tab here. If you want to disable comments, you can click this. I wouldn't recommend disabling comments. I think that interaction with your audience is really important. Oh, I did want to go back up here to the upload defaults. I have this defaulted, so all of this is going to be on every single video. This is all my affiliate links. This has everything in here, my reading list, other videos. So this is really good. You can set this in here so it's always going to be on every video. And of course you can edit it and move it around, but it'll upload onto every single video. Here's my creator demographics. If I wanted to take a survey, I could do that. And the agreements right here, view agreement. These are all my different agreements because I'm in the partner program. So let's go ahead and close this now. And let's actually go into a video and look at it. We'll go over to content. And I'll grab this video right here. And let's take a look at this video. Here, let's go into analytics real quick. Okay, so this video here has gotten 164,500 views, which is not bad. It's not bad. I mean, I'm not a big channel, so I'm not going to have millions of views or anything like that. But the interesting thing in here is watch time. This video alone gained me 3,000 subscribers, which is nice. And it's paid me $3,294.73 since it's been uploaded. So that's pretty nice. It has your average view duration here. This number here is low on this video. Average percent viewed is only 24.9. We always want to shoot for 50%, but it doesn't always do that. Here is our line and how this video performed against what my average one did. This gray line here is what my average one did. So something happened here
that made people leave on this video. I'm not quite sure what that is, but it shows you what percent they're watching your video. So we start out obviously at 100, and as we move this here, you can see your retention goes down. You can find your editor right here. If you wanted to edit this video, you could certainly do that. If you had comments on this video, you can manage them here. This is the ones I have not responded to. Once again, if I click off of that, you'll find the ones I have responded to. And there's a bunch of different comments on this video here, as you can see. I won't get into detail on that. Monetization on this video, go back over to here, and you can see what I've allowed. I've allowed overlays, sponsored cards, non-skippable, display ads are automatic, so I don't have to check that. And then there's a post roll here. If I want to manage post rolls, I can do that. And that pretty much gives you an overview of this. Of course, if you want to upload videos, I'm going to go back to Studio real quick. In my main dashboard here, if I wanted to upload a video, I would just come over here to this arrow and I would click on it. And this is the spot I would actually select the file. I can go to my downloads or wherever I've got a file, grab it, upload it here, and then go through the process of uploading that particular video. So that's it. That will give you a pretty good overview. Only other thing here I'd like to show you is when we get into the dashboard here and we get into analytics, there's several other things at the bottom. There's so much in here, guys, there really is. But let's look at the audience real quick. And I want to scroll down. This screen here will show you when your viewers are on YouTube. So it says Sunday from looks like 9 a.m. to about 1 p.m. is my best time to upload on Sundays. Unfortunately, I've been uploading here because of time of day and I can't always get to it. It tells you what percent of your audience is the United States here. It tells you, if they're watching with subtitles or if they're not, what language the average person is in the subtitles, and it's 65% no subtitles, and then 33.9 they are listening English. So once again, you want to put subtitles in there because there are people who are hearing impaired and they won't get the advantage of your videos. That's not good. Right in this section here, you have bell notifications. It says subscribers who turned on all bell notifications for your channel. I'm at 23.2%, and the average on YouTube is 10 to 30%. So yeah, I'm right in the middle there. Subscribers who turn on all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications is 10.7%. Average is 5 to 20%. I'm probably a little bit below the middle there. Then down here, this is always pretty interesting to me. This is watch time from subscribers. Not subscribed, it's 87.6%. So most of my watch time is coming from not subscribed. And if you hover over any of these, it'll tell you what that means. This is activity from viewers who are logged out or not subscribed to the channel of the video they are viewing. And then subscribed, I have 12.4%. And then down here, I've got age and gender, which is kind of interesting. And it looks like I've got 5% females, 5.1% females, very low female count. Hey girls, come on, you gotta watch my videos. And then male is 94.9%. This is the interesting thing to me. I've got 62% of my audience is 18 to 24, 32.8% is 25 to 34. So what does that account for? That accounts for 94.9% of my audience is 18 to 34, which is a really good crowd of people if you want to get advertising dollars. That's pretty much it. If we look down here, you can see analytics for your average view duration and the number of views. Down here, you can see how much advertisers pay. Now, don't let this scare you. The majority of videos on YouTube are this is going to be about $2 to $5. So I know that's a crazy high amount, $57.14. However, the reason for that is because of the niche I'm in. This CPM is a lot higher than what it would normally be, but it's because it's a financial channel and they're paying a lot of money to be on the channel and run ads. Now, this last tab is really pretty cool. This last tab here is called Research. Now, this is searches across YouTube, or this is your viewers' searches. So if I click here, I can see some of the things that they're searching for. So this is one I've saved right here. It was how to make money online, very high on my channel, how to make money online. So obviously that's something that I'm going to want to make videos for. Here is where you would select what countries they're searching for. Here's my save tab. These are the ones that are pretty darn high on my channel right now. It's how to make money online, ChatGPT to make money, side hustles 2023, YouTube automations, and how to make money on YouTube. So these are the ones that I should be making videos for. Those are pretty darn important.
So that's an overview of my analytics. I wanted to share that with you. You can see how, if you know when they're online, you know when to post your videos. You can see how, if you've gotten successful videos, that you can publish videos that are similar to that, or you can do an updated version of that. I think I need to do an updated version of that, but that's going to help you tremendously on your channel. When you're doing things like this, when you're going in and looking at the results of your work, and you build on the results of your work, you can get better results. Why not do that? The audience, the people out there watching your videos, are telling you what to do if you want to get more of them. They're actually handing it to you on this platter. I mean, this is why YouTube does this. So many people say, well, YouTube's against me, they won't show my videos, and they're trying to block me. And no, they're not. They're trying to satisfy the audience. And if you satisfy the audience and they see that, then they're going to distribute your videos more, and you're going to grow your channel. It's really that simple. There's no brain surgery to this. They're giving you the data for a reason. YouTube did not give you this data so that you wouldn't use it. They want you to use it. They want you to get more views. They want you to get more subscribers, because they make more money. It only makes sense. Nobody's against you. I hope you have more insight on YouTube analytics and understand how to use it. Get in there, mess around with it, you know, look at all your stuff. You're going to get comfortable with it. And then they're going to change the screens, but that's beside the point. The point is, get in there and use this information and grow your channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck's going on? What's going on? Shake your head and say, yeah, I'll subscribe, and go down there and click it right now. Not that hard. Turn it from red to gray. That's what happens when you click it, and ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live, or if I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've enjoyed spending this time with you. Love you very much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.